Good morning, everyone. It's that time of week where we get to do our pizza raffle. Remember, in order for you to earn a pizza raffle, you have to complete your daily IXL lessons. And then on top of that, you have to make sure that you are completing 300 minutes or 5 hours a week on Imagine Learning. So these are all the students that did just that. Some of you guys went above and beyond. I think I saw that Delina had 12 hours on Imagine Learning. Some of you guys had 9. That is insane, but that's so great that you guys are working so hard so that you can be prepared for next year. So if you are not on the wheel today, there's always a chance for you to get on the wheel next week. Just make sure you're completing everything that you need to complete. So let's go ahead and get started, shuffle our names, and here we go. And our winner is Grecia. Congratulations, Grecia. I'll be reaching out to Mom and we will send your pizzas over to you later today. Bye, guys. Have a great weekend.